The day Earth vanished. In the year 2847, humanity stood among the youngest members of the Galactic Union. The ancient alien races mocked humans. They are emotional. They are reckless. They are primitive. But humanity continued to grow. Then one day, without warning, Earth disappeared. Not destroyed. Not invaded. Erased. Every star map in the galaxy suddenly showed empty space where Earth had once existed. Every historical record vanished. Every image disappeared. It was as if Earth had never existed. Only a few scattered humans across the galaxy still remembered. The aliens celebrated. The human experiment is finally over. They were wrong. Very wrong. The silent survivors. Millions of humans survived on distant colonies. Confused and terrified, they searched for answers. Entire libraries had been rewritten. History itself had changed. According to every official record, humanity had never evolved. Never built ships. Never reached the stars. Yet humans still existed. Scientists discovered impossible energy signatures hidden beyond normal spacetime. Someone had attacked reality itself. Someone had erased Earth from the timeline. And whoever did it possessed power beyond any civilization. The Chronarchs. The truth emerged. An ancient species known as the Chronarchs had existed before most galaxies were born. They controlled time. They ruled history. Whenever a civilization became too powerful, they simply erased it from existence. Humanity was their latest victim. The Chronarchs believed humans represented a threat unlike any before. Because humans possessed something no equation could predict. Creativity. Hope. Defiance. The Human Project. Hidden deep within a forgotten nebula, surviving scientists activated Project Phoenix. A machine capable of leaving normal time. Volunteers entered the temporal expanse. Years passed. Then centuries. Inside the expanse, humanity evolved. They learned to see timelines. They learned to repair history. They learned to travel through causality itself. When they finally returned, only a few months had passed in the galaxy. But humanity had become something new. The first strike. Human fleets emerged from impossible locations. Chronarch outposts vanished. Entire time fortresses collapsed. Alien civilizations watched in shock. For the first time in billions of years, the Chronarchs were losing. The galaxy realized humans had not returned seeking revenge. They had returned to rescue reality itself. War across infinite timelines. The battle spread beyond space. It spread across every possible history. One timeline showed Earth conquered. Another showed Earth never forming. Another showed humanity becoming machines. In every timeline, humans fought. And in every timeline, they refused to surrender. The Chronarchs discovered a terrifying truth. No matter how history changed, humanity always resisted. The last timeline. The Chronarchs unleashed their ultimate weapon. A device capable of collapsing all possible futures. Stars vanished. Galaxies disappeared. Time itself began to die. The universe approached final extinction. Humanity had one chance. One final mission. Travel to the beginning of existence. Before the first star. A single human fleet crossed beyond the birth of reality. There they met the architects. The beings who had created the laws of physics. The architects revealed a secret. Humans were unique. Not because they were strongest. Not because they were smartest. But because they could imagine futures that did not yet exist. That ability made them impossible to erase forever. The Ascension. Humanity merged with the fabric of time itself. Not as rulers. Not as gods. As guardians. Every timeline became connected. Every lost civilization was restored. Every erased history returned. Earth reappeared. The galaxy watched as blue oceans shined once again beneath the stars. Humanity had saved existence. The New Dawn. Thousands of years later, children from hundreds of alien species visited Earth. They studied the impossible story. The species that had once been mocked. The species that had once been erased. The species that had returned from beyond time. And above the entrance of the Galactic Archive stood a single inscription. Humanity's greatest power was never strength. It was the refusal to accept that any ending was final. The end.